Want to learn how to make $10,000 or more every time someone signs up through your phone? This UAE fintech apps are paying users to refer friends, and here are the top 5 in 2025. Let's go. First one I'm going to show you now is Sawa. Now, Sawa is also that. These are fintech apps in Dubai, remember, and you get paid, all right, when someone uses the app, like a referral bonus or referral fee. Okay. And these are awesome. You see, this is a big site. See how big they are. Talked about by CNN, World Magazine, Forbes, and whatnot. But that's not why we're here. Sawa is a financial platform and app that lets you easily trade stock, ETFs, and save and invest your money massively on all of this. Now, you don't necessarily have to be the one investing. You just need somebody to invest. All right. That's how you make your money. And how do you use this platform? Simply click on get started. But first of all, let's check on pricing. Before we go on each of them, let's just run through all I'll be showing you. The second one we'll be checking out is WAP, right? WAP is also almost the same thing. Okay. You join the wait list. So they have like a wait list. All right. And all in one app, you can send money, receive, manage, and all of that. Okay. That's how some of these websites and apps would need a VPN. Some of them, not all of them, but some of them would. So, but you can join a wait list. You put in your email, just click on join wait list, and then they're going to send you an email, and the email would carry the instructions on how to join. But the good thing is once you're in, all you do is just refer somebody, and then you get paid, commission for using them. The next one I want to show you is Zaboni. All right. This is also a fintech app that also when you refer somebody, you make some good cash from it. Scroll down. All right. You see some of the things the product they have. They have app for business, they have the dashboard and who they serve. Don't worry, we'll come back here. I want to go through all of them, so don't worry. The next one is Jingle Play. Jingle Play is also a fintech in Dubai that you also can use the go-to money app for your everyday financial needs. Send money internationally, free anywhere. Remember, I taught, if you follow me on the channel, how to make money being a virtual real estate agent. This is how you can receive your money, okay? Because you could refer this to your agents, all right? The agents you're working for, they can send you money with Jingle Pay, I mean. Then once they pay you, get your money, you also get a referral fee, okay? That's how it works. The next one is this one, which is Tabi. And Tabi is pays your payment. Tabi lets you split your purchase into 4 interest-free payments or up to 12 monthly payments. Okay? Again, in the UAE. And see, pay over time, no interest, hidden fees, and whatnot. Don't worry again, we'll come back to this. The last one I'm showing you is Normal Bank. Just accept cookies, invest in UK rental property. All right? This is also a fintech app that will pay you while you refer people to use that. Okay, now let's go start from the beginning. Now, this is Sawa, sawa.com. Don't worry, I'll leave the link in the description, so feel free to check it out. So you could try them out, but first of all, let's check on pricing. Let's see how it works. Click on pricing, you see invest, $7 per month. You could save 5%, 0.5% annually. You could trade $1 per trade, crypto, but you can buy in bulk on fraction, on limit and stop orders and whatnot. So, but that's not what this is all about. Let's come in here, check on invest, click on invest, and then it's going to bring you to manage investment or private wealth. Trade, you could trade stock. All right. See how it looks like, simple and intuitive stock trading. Right. So let's just go in and say browse out. You put in your name or whatnot, and then you come in here, you put in your number. This is why I'm showing you this, guys. If you scroll down here, if you scroll down, scroll. I'm going to show you something in a bit. Now, I know you see a Nigerian number here, but my advice is if you can get a UK number or a US number, it's better. Okay? So you put in your name, all of them, put in your UK or US password, then choose investing approach that's right for you. You want to trade, you want to invest, you want to invest, but don't be fully invested into the investment. Hope that makes sense. Cash accounts with high interest rates, human support, they're always there to help you, bank level security. So what they do is they barely help you. It's like an investment app. All right. And when you use them, what this means is can get a referral code, and that referral code can be shared. And when the referral code is shared, you make money when somebody uses this app. Okay? How you different from the big banks and brokerage. You can go read all of this. I don't want to be a bit too long. Okay? But you could use them, right? And then when you use them, they have their disclaimer and their private policy. Please make sure you read them all before you go ahead. But you could see this is in Abu Dhabi, right? So please take note of that. That's that for this one. Again, I'm not going to go deep in all of them, but I'm going to do a complete tutorial on each of them, how you can use them, how you can make money from them. This is just introducing you to the platforms so you can choose which of them to use. My advice is use one or two. Don't use all of them because you'll be confused a bit. Whole idea is to refer. Really, guys, just refer. You don't have to use them. You have to invest. Just refer somebody else. And you have to be done with signing up before you can refer, or you could tell somebody else to use the app or use the website. Okay. Now, the next one is the app. Like I said, you have to submit your email on the waiting list. Sometimes it takes 7 working days, right? But sometimes it can take a longer time, but just wait. You really have nothing to lose. Okay. Nobody likes managing bills, but with the app, you can pay your bills. So pay your bills, organize them, and set reminders. So you just need somebody to do this. All you need to do is make a TikTok video or make a YouTube video like I'm doing myself, and then send people there using your referral link. And once they install the app or go to the website, and the first deposit they make, you make a commission from it. It's amazing, guys. Crazy. Right. The next one is the bonus. The bonus, same thing. Now tap into e-commerce. Come on here and download the app, request a demo. Next generation platform for personalized commerce. Drive more sales with a human connection. Okay. Again, like I said, if you recommend or refer this website, you get paid. Best for starters, free. No setup, no monthly fees. Store listing on the marketplace. Industry leading acceptance rates, security and fraud protection, payout on demand, refund reports, multi currencies. Ideal for businesses that don't currently accept online payments. Is the fastest and easiest way to get started. No setup fee, no monthly fee. All right. So you could get, so let's, for example, you run an e-commerce business in Dubai or in UAE. This is a platform where you could use because they accept payments powered by them. All right. They manage funds, manage chargeback disputes. So, for example, sometimes when you buy an item for you and they return it, they help you manage that dispute of returning the money back to the buyer and the process payout. So you could use them, integrate them to your website, integrate them to your app, and use this as a payments gateway, because that's what they are, expanding to untapped territory no matter where you are in your business journey. You don't have to be in Dubai, but you could sell to people in Dubai. That's the brilliant thing, guys. One of the problems we had back then trying to sell in some countries is things like this. Things like this are not really easy to assess, and being able to manage payments in other countries. That's why countries like UAE, right, it's a bit difficult, but then you could use them. They also have business dashboard that will be integrated for you, your business in your hands, everything you need to complete, succeed, and thrive at your fingertips. So this is good. Now you'll be wondering, what can I sell in Dubai? What can I sell? What is that thing I can sell? And that's where PP ads come in. Now if you go on dashboard on PP ads, you can go on products. You can click on any of the products here. You can go on library products and then find out what you could sell. Scroll down, you will come in region, right? Look for where it's closer to what you're looking for, which is the UAE. Go scroll. If you see, all right. If you don't see, look at it here. See it here, United Arab Emirates. So click on apply. When you do that, it's going to show you products that are selling, that are doing very well. There. These are several products. There's a perfume. This is I don't know what this is. So, okay, USB. There's several products that are doing kind of well there. This is like a charging port. There's a sneakers, really good sneaker, like beaded sneakers, like a phone holder with a speaker. Awesome. This is a dress. This is a tab holder, eyeglasses. It's a beautiful dress. All right. Okay, this is what this is. I think it's the battery terminal. I don't know what that is. All right, these sneakers keep popping up. So this can give you an inspiration on what to sell. All right. Or you could simply just come in and just type in, just look for winning products. Okay. Let's go back to dashboard. All right. Just click here, winning products. All right. And then you scroll down, region here, click on UAE. This is if you're finding it hard, look for what to sell. UAE, click here, click apply. And it's going to show you products that are doing very well at the moment. Okay. On TikTok and elsewhere. All right. You see, this is another product. Okay. Check this one out. Okay, that's really nice. All right. This for face, I think it's a facial thingy. All right. So it just shows you things that are selling that you could just jump in, winning products that are selling. So a lot of facials are selling because I think sometimes the heat there can be very crazy. Sometimes when it's hot. All right. So it's a lot of cosmetic things are going on there for their ladies. All right. So you could sell any of this. These are several. Wow, this is really cool, guys. Really cool. This is like a one-stop shop for your Apple products. Okay, I like this. So these are several things you could sell. I think I'm going to save this. I'm going to save this. I'm going to save this. I like this. Add to collection. I'm going to save this. This looks nice. And this is something else again you could sell. So you could sell several things. All right, you don't have to think too much about it. And how do you get your payment or receive your payment? You receive your payment using Zaboni. All right, quite easy. Again, I'm going to make a complete tutorial on how to use them. If you want to get access to PP ads and don't know how to get them, I'm going to link in the description and use the coupon code that appears on your screen to get 20% discount. But let's go back. So we come in here and type, this is Jingle Pay. Like I said, Jingle Pay helps people pay money. So this is quite simple. You could make ads, you could make videos on TikTok or on Facebook or on YouTube on how people could send money from the UAE to anywhere in the world. All right. Use this, and then when somebody downloads this app through your link, you make money. But then you have to have the app on your phone to be able to refer people. You can't refer them without having the app on your phone. But they also want you to also have it. Okay. Your cards, your security are priority. It's free, numberless, it's unique. Spend, save, and pay in style. All right. So really cool. A very beautiful website. Download the app. All right. I've referred this particular website before and I've get paid doing that. Okay. They have all in one account, peer-to-peer payments. So you're good to go. They got you covered. All right. All you need to do is just download the app. If you click on accounts, let me show you what this has. This is how it happens. So they're telling you, take full control of your payments with our numberless physical and virtual cards. For buy a MasterCard, you can top up and freeze your cards whenever you like to add some excitement to your finances. Take a peek from our selection of metal or plastic cards in cheap matte black and neon pink. All right. So virtual cards, they got you covered too. This is one way. Jingle Pay is one way I receive money from the agents I work for in Dubai. And you can also do the same. The next one I'll be showing you now is Tabby. Tabby is pay to payment. Same thing they do. Ways to pay for business. So you could pay later, shop. All right. Now you also need to get the app for you to be able to refer the app. Makes sense, right? Discover where you can use Tabby to pay over time and get exclusive deals. So you can pay over time. Although this is not available for everybody, but then let's say we do Adidas and just show you how this work. Adidas. You could also sell this, all right? Sell this to top tier countries and just say, hey, looking to shop online, and you don't have money, you want to buy now and pay later. This is the app for you, right? So when you tell people when they make a purchase from these apps, you get a commission. All right. So you can come in here. Don't worry, I don't want to see all of this. I accept. Great. So you could see any of this. So let's say new or let's say men. Just click for men and just see what it gives us for men. So, some cool sneakers for men. This is okay. This is Messi. You could get some really good jerseys for 749 AED. So you see, this is in Dubai currency. So what you're doing again is you are selling to people in the UAE, right? And then whenever they make a purchase, so if, for example, I want to make a purchase and I click this, right? And I add to cart or add to bag, and I choose, let's say I want XL, right? And then, okay, add to bag or add to cart, they call it bag, view bag, checkout, and checkout. Click on checkout. You have to log in to register or check out as a guest if you want to. I'm going to check out as a guest. They're going to ask you for the regular payment requirements when you're trying to a billing address and all of that. You put all of this, put your phone number. I agree with the terms. Shipping method free. You want 1 to 2 business days. Remember, it's in Dubai. It's in UAE, so it's fine. All right. They accept all of this. They accept Tabby, which is the platform, which is this platform here. They accept Tabby. Okay. So with Tabby, you could have money in your wallet and then make payments. They also accept Google Pay, Visa, Master, and American Express. They also have a coupon code. All right. If you have a code, you put in the code here. This is the code you would share with people who want to make a purchase. So you can share your coupon code with them and say, hey, for the first, purchase you make, use this code and get this amount of money off it. Okay. Shipping is free. Total bill is $479. When this purchase is made, you will make a commission from. These are beautiful fintech apps that are there just for you to refer. So all you do as a content creator is create content like this or pay somebody to create content like this. For example, you can pay me to create content like this for you, faceless content, and then you upload them on your YouTube channel or you upload them on your TikTok account. And then whenever somebody uses your referral code, you get paid, some good commission. Or you could create videos using AI, but then AI videos are really usually becoming too saturated at the moment, and people really don't. People will start not getting how like people would eventually get tired of AI content. My advice is get somebody to really record this. Make these videos for you. I said we offer the service. We could record this video, make a how to use tutorial videos for you. If you can't do that, and we will do that. We'll give you the videos. You put the videos on your channel, and then you make the money that you make from all of these apps. So we could do a how to use these apps, all of them, several videos sent to you, you upload them and you make money. But that's on the way. But you could do them yourself really. Really not hard. Install it on your phone and just record your screen and walk through the process. This is the last one we're showing you, which is Normal Bank. Also the same thing. They help you, make international payments, send internationally in 6 different currencies with no fees. And the currencies are the pounds, the euro, USD, Quid. I think this is Quid, and AED. I don't know what this is. All right. But then free ATM cash withdrawals in UK ATM rates may apply. Okay. And then free and instant transfers to other UK banks. Okay. So if you sign up with this, like I said, if you have a UK phone number, you could use this and then you're good to go. Properties in England and Wales only. Your property may be at risk if you do not keep up with payments. So you could invest in UK rental property. I'll make a video later on for all of this. Okay. So, but this is why we're here for you. Hatch by Twitter, so showing you several ways to make money online. Passively, actively, just make money. You don't have to be broke. Having some cash in your hand is usually very good for you. Very good for everybody, as a matter of fact. But I'm sure that you would find all of these resources useful for you if you want to at least 10,000 naira every single day or make at least $5 every day from people signing up on these platforms. You don't have to use them. You just have to download them, use them yourself. If you don't know how to get to this website, these apps, check the link in the description. You get access to all of those links, all of these apps, and also get the link to get PP ads so that you can see apps, products that are doing very well that you could start selling in the UAE just in case you want to do that. Thank you for watching again. This is Cash by Tita. Subscribe to the channel, click on the bell button, smash on the like button if you got value, and I hope to see you in the next one. Cheers.